This is the Python SVGA 2.3 RCA Component Video Cable, 6 feet. The cable includes a VGA and 3 separate color-coded 24K gold-plated connectors to ensure proper installation. It allows you to run component video through a single cable. Red, green, and blue transmit high-definition video up to 1080p. This makes it easy to interconnect your projectors and other devices. This cable is made from a flexible RG59 coax cable. Internally, this cable is protected from EMI and RFI interference by a 95% copper braid and 100% aluminum foil shield. The Python SVGA 2.3 RCA Component Video Cable, 6 feet, is a quick and easy solution for all your video projects. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.